If you are starting a motovlog channel in 2025, it is very tough, bro. Heavy competition. You have to show unique content, then only you will survive, bro. What can we do to satisfy our Indian parents? We have to do a job. Man, don't know why, bro. Its engine is overheating, man. It went to 105 degrees. Now it came to 97. Man, I'm on 106 chili is away, bro. What is happening? Bro forcing me to sell my R15. So what is up, guys? Welcome back to another moto vlog. And the second vlog in English, bro. And now we are heading towards our hometown, Punganuru. Currently we are in Kolar bypass. So yeah, here we had a tea, man. So how was first vlog in English? I know a lot of mistakes were there. Yeah, let's move to the hometown, guys. So we have ridden 133 kilometers after the full tank of fuel. It drank only 1 point of fuel, man. How much mileage you got for 133 kilometers? So it's giving an average of 45 kilometers. So yeah, 45 will be the... I have ridden almost 70 kilometers, 80 kilometers in local only, bro. So 45.5 is a good average in city. Yeah, again it's showing full tank, bro. Yeah, after going to our hometown, the first thing we have to do is doing our bike's first service, bro, after engine rebuild. Currently we are on the toll gate of Kolar, bro. So we don't have to pay anything. I don't know why I'm feeling some power loss, bro. Is there anything issue? Ignore this engine light, man. It's not going to go. I will try my level best not to show that engine check light. I had to show it in showroom, bro. Let's see. If you are starting a motovlog channel in 2025, it is very tough, bro. Heavy competition. You have to show unique content, then only you will survive, bro. I would recommend, if you are having any source of income, then you can start. If not, then it is very hard, bro, if you are depending on your father's money. Though I am not depending on my father's money, I am doing everything on my own money, bro. Previously I was having a source of income when I was not into motovlogs and not into bikes. When I entered in biking culture, I lost that income source, bro. Not because of biking, but because of some reasons I lost. I have started earning a good money when I was in 8th class, bro. Still I believe in entrepreneurship, bro, not in jobs, bro. Jobs are for losers. But what can we do to satisfy our Indian parents? We have to do a job. Though I am not having currently any job. Currently I am pursuing my BTech. Hardly I will do 2 to 3 years only, bro, job. I will quit. I believe in business, bro. The oldest Pulsar, man. See how he is going, bro. He is wearing at least helmet. It's very good. Why he slow down? Oh, is he doing something crazy? Let's see. Bro chilling his 20 years old Pulsar, bro. With what speed he is going, bro? I am on 90, still he is away. I think R15 is having 5 kilometers of speed error. I think not more than that, bro. It's having 5 kilometers of speed error. Oh bro. Why, man? Bro giving tough competition. Let's give him a competition, bro. Man, I'm on 160 still he is away, bro. What is happening? Bro forcing me to sell my R15. So yeah, we are on bypass of Mulbagar, bro. We have completed 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers we have completed, bro. If we take left from here, we will go to Mulbagar town. Hats off to your Pulsar, man. 20 years old Pulsar giving good competition to 4 years old R15 Viper. Literally I'm riding this R15 with loopers, bro. Man, don't know why, bro. Its engine is overheating, man. It went to 105 degrees, now it came to 97. The coolant fan, the radiator fan is rotating. Don't know, bro, what's happening. It went to 105 degrees, now it became to 196. Let's wait for the engine to cool down, man. I stopped here to mount my GoPro on helmet, bro. So finally we left the highway, man. Now we came to our village roads. Previously I have mounted GoPro here to take front POV shots. Now I have mounted on my helmet. Yeah, let's wait for the engine to cool down and then we move. First we have to check the coolant, bro, after reaching home. So guys, now it is 88 degrees, man. Let's move, bro. And the radiator fan is also stopped rotating. Now we can move. Bro, if you are buying R15 for M, bro, for quick shifter and TCS, I think for 155cc it's not worth, bro. I won't recommend you. You can go for normal R15 V4. It's also a good bike. The quick shifter is not so good, bro. It cannot shift at high RPM. We need a quick shifter in tracks only, bro. In tracks also we change the gears in high RPM, but it's not working very well in high RPM, bro. It's working very good up to 6 to 7,000 RPM. When you cross 7,000 RPM, nah, it's not working that much, bro. I thought only my bike has problem, but I saw another video on YouTube, bro. He was also facing same problem only. Then I came to know that it's not very good. If you ask me why I bought R15 V4M edition, I got it for a good deal, man. Later I realized it's not a good deal though. But yeah, it's all about time, bro. If you are initially starting the motovlogs, you can go for the R15M or MT15, bro, because its maintenance is very less and it gives a good mileage of 45 to 50, man. Many people talk about 55. I don't think so it will give 55 mileage, bro. 45 to 50 is confirm, bro. In city also you can get 45. If you are buying for very long rides like 400 to 500 kilometers, then I would recommend MT15, bro. R15 is not comfortable. If you can manage, you can go for R15 also, bro. It's a very good bike, man. You can literally enjoy the bike. If you are into sports bike only, then you can go for R15. Literally it gives a very bad back pain, man. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, man, and don't forget to like the video. I know I have to improve my English very much. If I will be speaking continuously in vlogs, I will be habituated, bro. Oh shit. My intercom was switched off, bro, due to low charge. Literally I was enjoying music, man. I won't recommend, but I listen in very less volume. When we were going, we fell up our bike from this petrol pump, bro. Again, when we are here, the kilometers were 189 kilometers. From here the road is very bad, man. For 5 kilometers I think, then we will get a good road. Again 2 kilometers, very bad, man. Again we will get a good road. This is the story. Actually this is a very busy road, man. Many buses travel from this road. Don't know what's government doing. Oh, what are you doing? Grandpa is chilling on his Activa. Finally, we have entered our hometown, bro. Literally, man, my hand is spinning like a hell. Especially my thumb, bro. It's spinning very badly. Man, I have to look for any alternative road when I travel this road. So yeah, this is our Punganur lake or pond, whatever you call. What is this car's name, man? Skoda Laura. And Laura something is written like Mahavir Laura. Bro, if someone offended, I'm literally sorry bro, it's written on the car. Wait, I will show you, it's possible. See man, it's Mahavir Laura. Why bro, why this car? What if R is replaced with D? Bro is watching like a hell. Now he came in competition. Laura bro, you want to go left. From here we have to take left. Then we will reach our home bro. Hope you liked the vlog man. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel bro, and make sure to like the vlog. So yeah, let's meet in the next vlog. Till then, be safe, ride safe and enjoy bro.